we want to do with that. And then we talk about how do you get HTML5 applications into our store, because it's a Windows store so far. So how do you get these applications in? And then we will talk about also some native development stuff. At the end of the day, you can ask questions, so there will be time for a short Q&A. But I prefer, if you guys have questions, just shoot them at me right away, because I'd like to have it more interactive and not having a presentation and then having a Q&A. So if you guys have questions, just shoot them at me right away. So let's start. So what do we have? So AppUp consists of actually two sides. On one hand side, we have the store, which is an app store for Windows PCs, so running on any x86 architecture. So you can download it on appup.com. It's available in, I think, 5 different languages now. We have Spanish, German, Italian, French, and English. Did I forget anyone? I don't think so. And basically, this is a store like most of the store concepts work. And to that store, we have the corresponding developer program. So one hand side is the consumer part, where you sell apps, and then we have the development part, where you guys fit in order to get your applications into the store and sell the applications. So what we at Intel do is, what we want to achieve is we want to have this store and this developer program running for multiple devices. So we started out in the 2009 with netbooks. Then we expanded to PCs at notebooks, and now we're highly pushing on ultrabooks as well. And in the future, there will hopefully others come, like phones or in TV sets. So this is hopefully to come from our side. We will offer a lot of tools. So our developer program offers a lot of tools like APIs, resources, personal contact. So we have 2 of our TMEs sitting in the front here. So they'll give you guys more technical information when I'm done in hopefully 5 minutes. And you can come to us and talk to us any minute if you want. We guys give you out the personal contact. So if you guys have any problems coding, just contact us. We try to solve it and get your application in. So streamlined validation and deployment. So far, I get many questions. How long does it take to get through validation? I think I had this question yesterday. And the latest throughput on validation is, I think, right now 6 to 7 day average. I think that's pretty good. On a fast day, we can even do it in 2 days, or in a fast period, we can do 2 days. But right now, we tell people it's a maximum 7 days in order to get your application into the store. And the cool thing about AppUp is, or the developer program, you can really run it in nice beta testing. So you create everything, and before you submit it to validation, you can actually create a beta. You can invite up to, how many people can you invite? Is it 50? 50, yeah. You can invite 50 people that take part in the beta, so that you will send them a link, they will download the client, and they will see the client as it would be a normal customer. They download the application, and then they can test the application. I think that's really unique to have, because we had so many developers telling us, oh, well, I'm developing this application for customer XYZ, and customer XYZ wants to test the application, but they have to ship me a device, I have to put it on the device, I have to ship the device back so that they can test it, and with AppUp they really can instantly test that. Ensure at the end of the day, our store, your apps are visible, and you, most important, make money out of it. So, just to emphasize a little more, so we have the developer program, we have the store, at the end of the day we have the consumer who's buying stuff,